Last year we had a turnover of just over £400,000.
And our plans this year include the provision of notes for every student in George Brown Community College using our proprietary Nbot technology. GBC is one of the largest colleges in Toronto, and this is part of a Universal Design for Learning initiative which is being supported by the federal government.
There are around 500 classrooms at George Brown College across 4 campuses, and there will be approximately 6 hours of notes being made every day and sent back to those students. We have over 200 institutions signed up in the United States. We serve the DSA market in the UK, which provides software support for students at every university in the country. Our target is to access at least 50% of those institutions in North America, which total around 5,000. It's an absolutely huge market.